What's up, YouTube, and welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Keandra, and in today's video I'm coming to y'all with this bomb supernatural unit. This unit was provided to me by aliunicehair, so shout out to them for sponsoring this video. If you're interested in how I got this supernatural look, then stay tuned for this video. Hey y'all, so we're not about to waste no time. We're about to get straight into this video. Like I told y'all in the beginning, this video was brought to you by aliunicehair. They did sponsor this video. This is a kinky curly V-part unit, y'all, and I slayed it. I'm just showing y'all the basically the foundation of what's going to be under this wig, what I'm doing to my hair as of currently. I'm just moisturizing it, brushing it out, and about to slick it back into 2 ponytails. Nothing too crazy, super simple, super easy. But before I do that, I am going to be doing leave out for this unit, just because depending on the unit, y'all, and how it's customized, some of these V-part units you can get away with no leave out. I'm pretty sure this was one, but I don't know, I just wanted to look supernatural, so I decided to go with leave out. And this hair is the texture of my actual hair, so it blended really well. As y'all can see, your girl natural hair been kind of flourishing. Y'all know I did a big chop. If you aren't new to this channel, a while back, I'll have a link in the iCards. But yeah, it's been over a year now and my hair has grown out a lot, so I'm just doing the same thing to the other side. I am using Gorilla Snot, as y'all seen, because your girl got some thick hair, okay? Type 4 hair for sure, and that is like one of my favorite gels to use. So as y'all can see, that is my leave out, and I did a middle part and just did a little bit on each side. I'm just showing y'all everything that came in a box because I have been wearing this unit. I actually do like the fact that I have been wearing this unit because I can give y'all more of an accurate review as far as the hair goes. So yeah, I have been wearing this wig for about over a week now, and y'all, I'm absolutely in love. Okay, during a whole entire week I've been able to style it so many different ways. It's just giving natural. It literally looks like it's grown from my scalp, and I'm just showing y'all the wig construction. It came with combs, of course, and an adjustable strap in the back. This wig is super secure. Y'all will see me style it different ways in this video, and I also wore these different styles actually in real life aside from the video, like having it in a ponytail. Y'all, I done worked out in a unit. I done did all type of stuff, y'all. It's been windy. Like, this hair is so bomb. As long as you keep it detangled and you put some gel on it to define them curls. I find, y'all, that gel is one of the best methods of defining some curls. Just don't touch the hair. Wet the hair, put some gel in it, and go. Y'all will see that I'm getting a little bit ahead of myself. But right now, I'm just clipping the clips in place, positioning a wig, and this is what the wig is giving. It's giving very much this could be my hair, like, could it not? So now I'm just gonna be showing y'all me defining the hair and the process of how that went. I'm just spraying it with water, showing y'all the texture of the hair. Once again, this is a kinky curly V-part unit, and I believe I got this unit in 24 or 26 inches. I will have all the links in the description box for y'all. By the way, I'm talking a little bit fast. Why am I surprised? I talk a little fast, y'all. But I'll have all the links to this unit in the description box for y'all. But I'm just showing y'all me defining the hair. I'm going to the other side, spraying it with plain water, and then I'm going in with my Gorilla Snot. Mousse is cool. Curl defining products are cool. Natural hair products are cool. But if you're looking for like a really good hold and you want the curls to have that wet look all day, you want them to stay defined all day, go in with some gel. Your favorite gel. Just go in with it, rub it through the hair, and look at them curls, y'all. So bomb. And I kid y'all not, all day my curls stayed like this. So yeah, this is the minimum frizz way to go. I'm gonna be showing y'all my plain leave out, blend it in with the hair, and then once again some other ways that I decided to wear it, because at first when I was trying to mix in my leave out with this hair, I was like, wait a minute, my leave out is not giving. Like, my hair is not used to being defined. But you really just gotta finesse your hair. I did the same exact thing that I did to the actual wig to my actual hair, and it didn't look bad, but I end up just doing this little style where it looked like I pinned it back. Y'all will see. I'm just adding some more gel. This is one of the most easiest hairstyles, y'all. I absolutely love this unit. I'm not gonna lie, your girl be feeling her frontals and her closures, but I was actually excited when I styled this unit. And when I actually received it, how bomb it came out. This hair was super soft. Once again, natural texture. I just love how natural it looks. Like, I got so many compliments in this unit. y'all, make sure I go support and shop this unit. You will not regret it. Like, I genuinely love this unit. Once again, I did have it in for over a week. So yeah, truly love the wig. And I did get minimum shut-in, by the way. With the unit, it is curly hair, our natural hair. You get a few strands here and there, so I'm not really tripping off of that. That's totally normal. So yeah, here is one of the ways that I decided to style it. I just kind of pinned my leave out down. I don't know how to explain it. I just kind of pinned it down with some bobby pins, and now I'm doing the baby hairs, which really brought the look together. And I use glueless Snot gel for the entire process of me styling this hair. I've been rambling a lot, but I just want to make sure I give y'all a detailed review of the hair. If you have any questions, any comments, concerns, whatever, leave them in the description box down below. But y'all, this was so easy. I'm just gonna let the footage roll and y'all kind of see me style the hair, the baby hairs, and the other hairstyles. But other than that, that is it, y'all, for this voiceover. Sorry for Bella barking in the background. You're being rude. Make sure y'all go check out aliunicehair, and thank y'all again for sponsoring this video and sending me over this unit. I genuinely did love this hair.